Do you have a window or door where a regular curtain rod simply won't work? Here's the perfect solution. A slim 7/16 inch round sash rod that mounts directly over the window or door frame and is ideal for lightweight cafe curtains.
Hi everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to install your round sash rods so that it fits your window frame beautifully and safely. If you enjoy clean, simple home solutions, tap the like button. It helps us share more professional tips that make your ordering and installation process much easier.
Round cafe rods are used when you need to mount the rod directly onto a window or door frame, when the window or door must open freely without the hardware getting in the way, when there is no space for standard brackets on the wall, or when you want a clean, minimal solution for lightweight cafe curtains, especially in kitchens, bathrooms, or on door glass panels. This rod creates a neat, compact look in situations where regular curtain rods simply won't fit. The first step is choosing the height where your cafe curtains will sit. If you're unsure how to choose the right mounting height, I have another video that explains it in detail. The link is in the description. To measure your cafe rod, measure the inside distance between the points where the brackets will be installed. Measure from bracket to bracket, not the entire frame. Once you have your exact measurements, this will allow you to select the correct rod size for the cleanest fit. Our shop sells rods in a few different ranges for you to choose from. If you are mounting onto a wooden window frame, you should make small pilot holes to prevent cracking in the frame. We recommend using a 5/64" drill bit. This creates just enough room for the screws and keeps the frame safe. Next, attach the brackets on both sides. Make sure they are level and aligned. This will make the installation smoother and ensure the rod sits straight. Tighten the screws securely, but avoid over-tightening them to protect the frame. This is the 7/16 inch rod sash rod. It's designed specifically for lightweight fabrics, such as voile, shears, cotton, or light linen. The rod is adjustable. One tube slides inside the other, which is why the rod is hollow. This construction makes it light, easy to handle, and perfect for small windows or doors. Please note that the end caps can be easily removed. This is not a product defect. It is part of the manufacturer's design. If needed, there is a very easy fix. Simply use an adhesive suitable for bonding different types of surfaces and reattach the end caps following the instructions on the adhesive packaging. Insert the curtain onto the rod. Now insert the rod into the brackets and hang your cafe curtain. Adjust the gathers and you're done. A clean, minimal, and elegant look. Perfect for small spaces.
Thank you for watching. If this tutorial helped you, click like and subscribe for more practical window treatment solutions and behind-the-scenes content from our workroom. You'll find the link to the cafe rods we used today in the description below. And if you've already installed your cafe curtains, share your photos with us on Instagram at Loganova Shades or at Aspect Window Decor. We always love seeing your beautiful spaces. See you in the next video.